millions in Jeopardy. Recently, the bit Jeopardy winnings. Name is Amy Skyners. I think this, I may be butchering her name. I'm not trying to butcher her last name. So Amy won more than, there's the number 11 again, $1.1 million in Jeopardy winnings. But let's look at her tax bill. That's the new millionaire, right? Oakland, California, engineering manager, surpassed 1.1 million in winnings on a TV game show, becoming the fourth woman. And here's the number four again. I mean, first woman. That's the number 14 code again. The first woman and the fourth person to surpass that amount, right? To surpass that amount. So again, let's look at this tax bill. On Friday, she had a record number, most consecutive wins. She had 33 wins under her belt. I want you to notice the number 33, as well as I did a live stream yesterday that Bank of America, uh, a lost deposit of $33,000. I broke down the number 33 in my live stream yesterday. As even though I blocked that person now, but someone in my live stream brought that to my attention. The bank branch office closed. I don't understand though. They're right. There's someone said it was a fraudulent story reported. Just because a branch office closed, your deposit should still show in your banking account. And so her winning streak, she'll likely walk away a wealthy woman. But she's going to have to pay a pretty hefty tax bill because the income she's earned on the show is what's called ordinary income. And this ordinary income, and she'll be paying some of the top rates in the United States on this income. So winning more than 1 million will place Snyder in a top tax bracket in the country, given that Amy, I'm just going to say Amy, is likely a single filer, right? She'll have 37% federal tax rate for at least a portion of her earnings. So winning winning more than $1 million will put her in the top tax bracket. Meaning, because she's in California, she lives in California. That's why I have so many people from California specifically that join me in the work from home, credit cash flow, and capital gains tax protection program, because California is the state with the highest tax rates. So on top of the 37% federal tax, she'll owe an additional 13% on an income more than 1 million people, right? Then they give you in California an additional mental health services tax. So I'm gonna show you all this. I'm gonna show you all these ones, and if so, you can start looking at articles and reading them in a different way, more so from a numerology type of way, so that you can see the decoding in the news, in the media. Look at this. So after Friday's game, Amy had won a total of, you see the four ones, 1 million, $111,800. But she'll likely owe 375,000 to federal taxes, nearly 140,000 to California, That's nearly half of her winnings gone to taxes right away. So she'll take home approximately 500,000. And with the prices of inflation and everything increasing in California and in other parts of the world, if she doesn't invest that money to multiply it, depending on her lifestyle, that may be 2 to 3 years of living. If she doesn't try to upgrade, her lifestyle, or I mean, she can go probably and get a 2,000 square foot home in California for 500K. So the number is 1111, right? Is again a warning that the ending of a thing is coming, and you also had the 800 of on the end, which is the infinity sign, the breaking down of the old to build to building to bring in the new. So in Revelations, for example, 1:11, it proclaimed that Christ, the Christos, is the first and the last, right? The first and the last people. And so, you know, I'm just telling you all, we are more of a depression. My message probably will, I know it won't change, right? Unless, there's something I just need to cover. Like when it comes to the jab right now, I'm just at that point where if you want to take it, if you think that protects you, you have that right. But likewise, if you don't want to take it, right, you should have that right as well.